Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Want to dig into a perfectly roasted cauliflower? They are one of my favorites. Delicious, super easy and fun to make. You'll love the recipe. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. I have here some potatoes that I have peeled and a cauliflower that I have washed thoroughly. I'll just remove any leaves and the thick stalk. That's how you want it. As for the potatoes, you could cut them into wedges or thick slices. Once they are done, just wash the potatoes another time to get rid of the extra starch. Boil some water in a saucepan. Add in the sliced potatoes. Bring that to a boil. Boil for a minute and just take them out of the water. In the same pan, add in the cauliflower or the gobi. Cook it for a minute or two. Take it out and let it cool down. Salt, white pepper powder, Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek, olive oil that's extra virgin, grated ginger, grated garlic, garam masala powder and some coriander powder. Some hung curd which has been draining for about 3 hours now. Take the hung curd in a bowl. Add in the spices, salt, pepper, garlic, ginger and the Kasuri Methi. Crush it slightly with your hands and add it in. I'll add in some thinly sliced green chilies. Remove the seeds. Give it all a thorough mix. Add in the olive oil and mix it again. That's done. This is the same plate in which I had the spices. It's a good idea to reuse without washing, saves a lot of water. Get the cauliflower upside down and start adding the marinade or the yogurt spice mix. Make sure that it reaches all the florets and the gaps in between them. You want the flavor all over the cauliflower and not only at one place. So make sure to do this step carefully. Time to get in my hands. That looks good. As for the potatoes, season them with salt and some chili flakes. Some olive oil. Mix them up. And they are ready for the oven. So while the oven is heating at 180 degrees, let's get the baking dish going. Some olive oil at the base. Spread it out. Get the sides on the bottom. The cauliflower in the middle. I've just sprinkled some Kasuri Methi over it, and I'll just sprinkle some more. Place the potatoes on the sides. The leftover olive oil, just drizzle on the potatoes. Some more chili flakes. A final drizzle of olive oil over the cauliflower. And that's ready to go into the oven. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Bake till the potatoes and the cauliflower are cooked. So that's out of the oven after 35 minutes and it's done. Just look at the gorgeous color on it. Now for the finale, I'll just grate some cheese over it. This is the special effects on the roast. Any cheese will do. Processed cheese is fine too. And some over the potatoes. A little cheese doesn't hurt anyone. And bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes till the cheese has melted. How about it now? Serve it hot and watch people enjoying the dish. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.